I sit with Patanjali in the hush between breaths. The sutras wait like a map etched on silence. He does not shout. He invites attention, not conquest. I listen for what remains when distraction drops away. This is yoga as a quiet script. He speaks in paradoxes that cut through noise. The first discipline is not posture but attention. The sutras begin with the restraint of mind. Yama and niyama become a doorway to inner weather. Dharma, concentration, and the quiet that follows. I hear the quiet breath of Patanjali. He speaks of 8 limbs as a living grammar, not to master the world, but to know the self. Ahimsa as a practice of kindness towards the self. Satya as the risk of truth with gentleness. Aparigraha as a release from grasping. Then asana is not performance but alignment within. The arms of concentration hold a stillness under strain. Pranayama becomes a window, not a cage. Pratyahara is listening without being pulled outward. Dharana narrows the field as Siva's stillness answers. Dhyana enters where attention stops needing to own. Samadhi is not triumph, but a doorway opened by resting. The middle grows heavy. The shadow arrives as ego wearing many masks. Craving shouts, and still the sutras listen. Distraction spins like a wheel you cannot catch. Pain of effort becomes a drum in the chest. This is the darker turn of the journey. Patience wears the skin of doubt until it dissolves. If you chase victory, you miss the point. If you fear surrender, you lose the thread of breath. Patanjali invites a different labor, steady inquiry. What is left when craving is seen for what it is? What remains when the mind stops chewing on fear? The sutras offer a mirror, not a verdict. Turn toward the breath, toward the space between thoughts. Observe without judgment, and the heart begins to translate. The path becomes usable in a crowded room. Yoga is a practice of kindness toward the self you carry, and toward the world you touch in passing. There is a light that survives the pressure, a calm that learns to listen to fear and let it be. The silence grows a patient language. Patience becomes clarity. Clarity becomes a choice. The sutras become a map you can walk again, not to reach an end, but to awaken the next scene. The 8 limbs are a ladder you live on. The mind learns to align with breath and body, and the heart learns to pass through pain without breaking. What if this script is timeless because it invites you to write? What if Patanjali sits not as a distant sage but as counsel within? What if the sutras are threads you weave into daily life? Each practice becomes a sentence in your own silent book. We learn by listening, not by shouting. We learn by doing. The mind learns to be a witness to its stories. The self learns to choose again, again, and again. And the night does not swallow the vow. If this is a conversation, it keeps returning to you. If this is a map, the ink is your breath. If this is instruction, it is an invitation to practice. If you stay, you hear your own deeper call.